Hello, this is Dr. Simon Gobo. This is the first day of 2022. I am coming your way just to wish you a happy new year and a prosperous 2022. Now, before I go, I have a word of counsel, a word of wisdom that I want to share with you. You see, the year doesn't bring anything new. You bring something new into the year. The year in itself is inanimate. In other words, I want you to know that situations, challenges that you might have gone through in 2021, they are not even aware that you're in 2022. Who is aware that you're in 2022? It's yourself. So what are you going to do? You're going to make sure that you make some drastic changes towards those areas that you want to see improvement. That's how life is transformed. Because the year in itself, I repeat, it doesn't bring anything new. We bring something new into the year. Then situations around our lives, when we begin to transform, they start to change as well. So this is a word of counsel. This is a word of wisdom to you. This is the first day of 2022. Don't procrastinate. And whilst I'm in that same vein, I want to encourage you to understand something, that sometimes to bring change in your life, you have to change your friends. Birds of the same feather flock together. If you're hanging around friends that are going nowhere, you're going to find yourself in that same place so many years. In fact, by January the 31st of this month, probably you'll be wishing, can 2023 just come so that this year just end, because it starts being rough. But I want to tell you, start making changes. Some friends were good for where you were. They are not good for where you are going. So don't be sentimental about it if you have to cut them off. That's number one. If there were areas of your finances that you were not happy with, start tracing them. Were you overspending? You don't spend on things based on the money that you don't have. If you don't have the money, work for it. Don't try to live a world where you're trying to satisfy other people with a life that you have not gravitated or grown into. This is very, very important. So you start to watch your spending habits. You cut so many things. Listen, life is not about impressing anybody, because most of the people we try to impress, they don't even care. Focus on your life. Improve yourself. Don't compete with anyone. Compete with yourself. The last version of 2021, like I was telling myself, said, Simon, the version of 2021 of yourself, we're going to change that. That's how I compete. I compete against myself. I look at what others are doing. I don't compete with them, but I can take inspiration of what I'm seeing from them. That's what's in 2022. What's in 2022 is what you're going to bring. Forget about anyone that is saying so many other things about 2022. Thank God for that. That's wonderful. Thank God for all maybe the words you have received, prophecies, different kind of things, depending on what you believe. But I want to tell you, those words will not come to pass if you don't take action. Take action, brother. Take action, sister. The sky is never the limit. It's just a level. That's my word for you on this first day of 2022. Wishing you the best. This is Simon Bob signing out.